Welcome back to Betty's World Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Algerian Qatayef. Such an easy recipe, doesn't take much of your time and your effort, so let's get into it. In a pan, add 1 cup of water along with 1 cup of sugar, a slice of lemon and bring it to a boil on medium heat. Get your Qatayef pastry and start separating it with your hand. Once it's nicely separated, cut them into small pieces like so. Place half of the pastry in another bowl so we can work with it easier, and add 100 grams of melted butter. About a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all in with your hand until the pastry is nicely coated in the melted butter. Add in the other half of the pastry and mix it all in nicely. The pastry should be soft at this point and should look something like this. For the filling, we are going to need 100 grams of ground walnuts, 50 grams of ground pistachios, a tablespoon of sugar, and a tablespoon of orange blossom water. Mix it all up. Get your baking tray and add 1 tablespoon of ghee and spread it out evenly. Add the filling on top and spread it evenly. Now this is optional, but I also added mixed nuts on top for extra flavor. Add in the rest of the pastry. Make sure that it's spread out evenly and make a flat surface. Bake it in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes on 180 degrees until golden brown. As soon as it's out of the oven and still piping hot, pour the syrup on top that we made earlier. Cut them to 8 equal slices and decorate it as you wish. Here is the final look. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you will be notified whenever we post. See you guys in my next one. Bye!